2, 1. Spaghetti and M&Ms? Okay, let me try this. Actually, that's pretty good. Today we're here at Pocket.watch Studios. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Brandon.
And today we're going to try crazy food combinations.
So, let's get started.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ice cream!
What is this? Ice cream
Pickles
with
and ice cream?
pickles?
I don't like pickles that much, but I like ice cream.
Yeah, I love ice cream. Okay, let me just get a piece of ice cream. Yeah, okay. How are you supposed to eat this? Oh.
Ice cream kind of covers up the pickle, but...
Yeah, because the pickle is usually sour, but then the ice cream makes it sweet. I like it.
I like it.
It's good.
If you want to have like sugar and
sourness
food, then just eat these together. It's really good.
But at the same time, you're still enjoying the ice cream. So, and if you like pickles, kind of like me, I kind of like pickles. It's gonna taste even more good. But I give this a 10. What do you?
3.
Okay, so.
I think we should open this and like
3,
this.
2, 1. Spaghetti and M&Ms? Okay, can I go first?
Yeah, you can
Okay,
go first.
let me try this.
This might taste good.
This actually might taste a little good.
Yeah.
Actually, that's pretty good.
Let me see. That's good. It actually tastes like
That's how it tastes. That's good.
with pizza sauce on it and pasta.
That is so good. 10. 10. Okay, 3, 2.
What?
What is this?
Mayonnaise sandwich?
What is in here? Oh.
Peanut butter and mayonnaise?
Ew. I don't think I want to eat that.
Okay, well, we gotta do it.
I don't like peanut butter though.
Let's try it.
Ew.
Yep.
No.
A big 0.
0. That's a huge like negative 10.
Negative 1 million.
Negative 10.
Negative 10.
3, 2, 1, go. It's pizza and chocolate. Let's see.
So you have unhealthy food with another set of unhealthy food.
Okay, that's actually pretty good.
I've actually never had this, so bon appetit.
Pretty good.
This is, man, what is the science behind that?
It's chocolate.
Chocolate pizza, I give a big thumbs up. 10.
Me too. 10. Or should I say 11? This is milk and let's see. 3, 2, 1. Cheetos.
Milk and Cheetos. Come on. I don't know. I might like this. You're supposed to dip the Cheetos in the milk.
Really quick?
I might not. Well, never know. So let's try.
The quick one.
I feel kind of messed up to say this, but it tastes kind of good. It tastes kind of good, even though the fact that there's regular white milk in it, and I don't like regular white milk. I like chocolate milk, but it's good. I'll give this 6.
I kind of like the milk part better.
I think, yeah, this is
like
a 6.
5. Mine is 5.
3, 2, 1. Grapes with, what is that?
Mayonnaise.
Oh, grapes and ranch? Oh, I've had this before. I've had it in my salad. My grandma makes me. Very good. I give that a 10. It tastes good. This is on point. I really like it. I give it a 10.
It's actually really good.
What do you give it, a 10?
I think about like, maybe like an 8. It's close, but no. 3, 2, 1. Waffles.
Is that waffle and applesauce? Nacho cheese. Okay. So not chaffles. The chaffles.
The chaffles. No, I don't like it.
I kind of want to spit it out, but then my body said I don't want to spit it out.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Probably not. It's trying to taste bad now.
There you go. Are you good?
Yeah. Yeah.
The waffles
Kind
are
of.
pretty good, and then
But then
nacho cheese
there's
just ruins it.
nacho cheese on it. It's just, yeah, like you said.
I don't really like it.
Open it together.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Pizza and applesauce. Yep.
My taste a little weird. Ooh. Actually, tastes pretty good. Tastes more like pizza than applesauce. Tastes like,
Try it, I guess.
that's good.
I'm not a fan of applesauce.
Oh, gross!
That is
Applesauce
good.
with pizza? I give that a 0.
3,
2,
2,
1. Wait, what?
Pepperoni.
Is this some pepperoni and peanut butter? Okay, I'm down, because I both like that. I'm sure I will. Well, let's
That's
try.
not that good.
Yeah.
That's not that good.
Oh, shoot, I'm starting to taste some spice.
The pepperoni is spicy. What are you doing? Okay, away with this thing. I give it like a 3.
I give it a 5 because it wasn't good, it wasn't bad.
Okay, this is our last one. 3, 2, 1.
What is that?
Is that like,
Marshmallows and Doritos?
no.
With what on it?
I can't get this. I can't get this, it's so sticky.
It's hard to get. It's just hard.
Oops.
Dude.
It's so
It
sticky.
feels like slime.
Yeah, it
It feels
does.
like slime. But Doritos Force. I love
I think
What? This is good. This is the best one. I give it a 20,000.
I think maybe it might be like an 8.
To her, it's not that good. But to me, it's awesome.
It's pretty good, but I don't really like it like so much.
So that was the Weird Food Combinations Challenge with
Amanda.
and Brandon.
And thank you for watching Pocket Watch. Tell us in the comments what other foods you want us to eat. This one is the best.
Yeah,
that one's the
that
second
one's the
best.
best.
That one's the third best.
The Cheetos milk.
Why are you
No, I don't
Cheetos?
Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.